Subaru fans, brace yourselves because your bulletproof Outback might just get outclassed. Turns out, 4 sneaky brands have been quietly dunking on Subaru in the reliability game. And no, we're not talking about some niche EV startup or luxury unicorn. We're talking household names that now run longer, cost less to maintain, and don't come with a side of head gasket anxiety. Let's spill the oil-stained tea. Brand number 1, Lexus, the gold standard nobody touches. Toyota might wear the reliability crown, but Lexus forged it in a lab and plated it with platinum, probably while sipping green tea in a climate-controlled wind tunnel. This is the brand you buy when you want to forget your mechanic's name, and maybe his grandkids' names too. That's because you won't be seeing your mechanic often for the slow ones in the back. Lexus doesn't chase trends, it perfects proven tech, skips the drama, and delivers mile after mile of, oh, this thing still runs like new. Meanwhile, Subaru's out here babysitting its CVTs and hoping the oil doesn't vanish overnight like a magician's assistant. 2. Mazda, the silent reliability champion. Mazda's like that quiet kid in class who never raised their hand and now owns 3 houses, a yacht, and your respect. While Subaru got lost in its own all-wheel drive swagger and quirky boxer engines, Mazda just stuck to what works and didn't throw a tantrum about it. No flashy nonsense. No gimmicky engines, just clean, simple design that refuses to break, even when you forget your oil change by a few thousand miles. It's the car version of stay in your lane and win anyway, and Subaru's still wondering what just passed it. Brand number 3, Honda, the comeback king of consistency. Subaru may be the cool kid in the snow belt, but Honda is the valedictorian of reliability, minus the student loan debt. Its IVTEC engines are basically immortal if you change the oil and say thank you occasionally. While Subaru gambled on finicky CVTs, Honda kept it simple and solid, like your grandma's casserole. Not flashy, but it always hits. It may not win drag races, but it will drive to 300,000 miles, complain about nothing, and then quietly retire into your niece's first car. Respect. For 4, Toyota, the OG that still runs the game. If dependability were a sport, Toyota would already have a Lifetime Achievement Award and still show up to practice. Subaru may talk tough, but Toyota just quietly racks up 500,000 miles while sipping fuel and laughing in corrosion-resistant steel. Its engines are boring, in the best way possible, like an accountant who never misses leg day. Meanwhile, Subaru owners are out here calculating differential fluid intervals like it's their side hustle on LinkedIn, where Subaru falls behind. Let's not sugarcoat it. Subaru has baggage, leaky head gaskets that turn your garage floor into an oil-themed slip and slide, CVTs that ghost you faster than a bad Tinder date, usually right after the warranty ends, engines thirstier for oil than your college roommate during spring break, and rust, it shows up uninvited, early, and ready to party like your in-laws at Thanksgiving. Owning one means playing mechanic roulette. Sometimes you win, sometimes you just sob into the glove box. The all-wheel drive advantage? With a side of fine print. Yes, Subaru's all-wheel drive system is elite, no shade there. But that elite system comes with more maintenance, more moving parts, and more chances for surprise repairs than a haunted house with a check engine light. It's like adopting a husky, unstoppable in the snow, but always shedding problems the rest of the year. So who should buy a Subaru? If you live where snow boots are considered year-round footwear, hike more than you post about it, and don't mind turning a wrench now and then, Subaru still makes sense. Just know what you're signing up for. It's not a fling, it's a full-blown situationship with trust issues and fluid leaks. Final thoughts. Subaru still builds good cars, but let's not pretend it's the king of low maintenance anymore. If you want something that just works, no check engine light surprises, no oil thirst, no surprise CVT tantrums, Lexus, Mazda, Honda, and Toyota are doing it better. Loyalty's cute, but so is not selling a kidney for repairs. Have a Subaru. Drop your wins and warnings in the comments.